Hello you guys, my name's Kat, welcome back. So a lot of you are here from my 100 video ideas for artists video, so I figured it was time for something of a follow-up. So as you can see from the title, I have 200 ideas for what to draw if you don't know what to draw. I have 100 character-based art prompts, so stuff for character design, original characters, fan art, that sort of thing. And then I have 100 non-character-based art prompts. If you just want one or the other, I have timestamps in the description for you. Now get something to write ideas down because we're starting right now. Starting with the character-based prompts. Number 1, we have redesigning classic cartoon characters. Could be Winx Club, has been very popular lately. Sailor Moon, Backyardigans, I don't know. Number 2, draw the characters from popular TV shows or movies. For example, Friends, New Girl, Pride and Prejudice, Avengers. You know what movies are. You know what TV shows are. Number 3, draw the characters using their magical powers, assuming they have magical powers. Number 4, draw object head characters. And I'm gonna scoot over this way a bit, so if I want to show examples, I can show them here. Number 5, characters, and again, when I say characters, that could mean your original characters or fan art, are getting ready for a party all together in the bathroom, crammed in front of one mirror. Number 6, characters at a ball in their ball gowns. Perhaps it's a masquerade ball. Number 7, put the characters in an alignment chart. So that could be like D&D, lawful good, chaotic evil, true neutral, you know, that spectrum. Or you could do something more fun like the goth, prep, nerd, jock spectrum, so drop your characters in where you think they should be. Number 9, bend the time period that the characters are living in. So we could have a modern day AU if it's fantasy characters, or a sci-fi AU, or a historical AU like Regency era. What would they look like? How would they dress if they were in that time period? Number 10, design a character, your own character, based on a genre. So horror, fantasy, romantic comedy. Number 11, design a character based on a color. I've never seen Ruby, but I've heard that that is a thing. Number 12, design a character based on an element. Number 13, do you have a story you've been developing that you're not sure if you'll ever write or turn into a comic or actually finish in some way? Draw some of your favorite scenes from there, like some really good gripping scenes or like dramatic character moments that you love, because it's not spoilers if the thing will never happen. You know what I mean? Number 14, draw a character interacting with an animal. Number 15, draw 2 characters meeting for the first time. What are their first impressions of each other? Is it a meet cute? Is it a meet not cute? Number 16, draw the characters exploring a new setting or environment, a new place. Number 17, I love these, is draw the characters traveling. So in modern times, that could be them all crammed into a car on a road trip, or in fantasy on horseback, or in a wagon, cart, or on a boat sailing to a new destination, anything. I love that. Number 18, draw the character getting a tattoo. Number 19, the character is telling stories around a campfire, or possibly scary stories. Number 20, illustrate a page or a scene from a book you really like. Number 21, draw the character playing an instrument, or if it's a bunch of characters, what instruments do they all play? What if they all had a band? How would that go? Number 22, draw the characters going through a haunted house. You could also get pictures of people going through haunted houses and like draw the characters over them. That's always funny. Number 23, draw the characters going ghost hunting, like BuzzFeed Unsolved style, looking for cryptids with their spirit boxes. Number 24, it's beach episode time. All your characters are at a beach. What are they wearing? What are they doing? Is it fun? I think so. Number 25, draw your characters. I'm saying your characters. Draw any characters when they were kids. Alternatively, 26, draw the characters when they're old. Number 27, draw your D&D characters. And if you're really nice, you can draw the characters of everyone in your party, because every D&D party needs a resident artist to draw their characters for them. Number 28, it's the what's in my bag meme. I think that's what it's called. So you draw yourself or a character, and then you draw everything that they carry in their bag with them. I think those ones are pretty cool. Number 29, do a meet the artist. Draw a picture of yourself with some likes, some dislikes, possibly just some things you want people to know about you. Number 30, these are very, very popular on Instagram, like very popular on Instagram. Draw daily or hourly comics of just your day-to-day life. Just people love relatable stuff. Speaking of relatable comics, number 31, you can draw some of your memories from your childhood or just recent memories of notable things that happened in your life, especially if they're relatable. Number 32, draw aesthetic girls from Pinterest and TikTok. I know we love to make fun of the artists that just draw pretty girls, but pretty girls are great. Number 32, draw a height chart, like with the lines across for all the characters, your characters, fan art, etc. I'm gonna stop saying that, it's implied from here on out, so you can just see how tall everyone is in comparison to each other. Number 34, the characters getting patched up after a hard fight. Number 35, draw the characters dancing. Could be by themselves, could be a slow dance, perhaps. Maybe they're all at a club just getting blitzed, who knows? Number 36, draw the characters as magical school students. Or you could just draw them as Hogwarts characters, but if you don't want to because of reasons, then yeah, I like the aesthetic. Number 37, if you have an original character or a character that you've designed, you can draw a ref sheet. Number 38, you can draw a character in their room. I like the isometric kind of style because I feel like a character's room can be a really good reflection on who they are as a person. Number 39, you can draw your favorite tropes or your least favorite tropes. Number 40, if you have a group of characters that have a very messy, intertwined set of relationships, then maybe you should draw a relationship graph showing who's friends with each other, who has a crush on who hates each other, who's dating. Number 41, redraw memes or screenshots with like your character saying the quote. Number 42, you can redraw stills from TV shows, movies, cartoons in your style. Number 43, do an art style challenge. You can pick a bunch of styles from famous cartoons or TV shows or just other artists you really like and challenge yourself to see if you can copy their style. Draw yourself as a Spider-Man character or a Percy Jackson character or a Harry Potter character or your Animal Crossing character. Number 45, you can draw the character in a turnaround. Also good for the ref sheets I mentioned earlier. Number 46, you can draw 3 characters all with the same prompt. The skill up challenge, I'll link it here. That's really good for this because it has prompts like jobs, types of characters, and then you try and draw 3 characters with the same prompt but make them all look different. So like 3 bakers or 3 witches or 3 race car drivers. I don't know. It's really fun though. Number 47, if a song just came out that is pretty popular or trending, you can draw the outfits from the music video. This also works good for red carpet events, but not too many of those going on, so you know. Okay, number 48 is you draw a photo in the photo. I will explain. You can draw the characters' yearbook photos. You can draw the characters in a Polaroid. You can draw the character's mugshot. See what I mean? Like a photo of the characters in the drawing. Number 49, if you have a bunch of original characters, you can draw them in a lineup with each other to show off their outfits. Number 50 is drawing the characters in their Halloween costumes. I think this is just evergreen. I never get tired of it. This could go for any holiday for that matter, like draw the characters at Christmas in Christmas sweaters or, I don't know, St. Patrick's Day. Yeah. Number 51, which is coming up, is a Valentine's Day illustration. You draw the characters with what they would put on a Valentine. Bonus points if it's really cheesy or dumb. I think that was really cute. Roses are red, my softbox is light. The sun's going down, and I'm losing my natural light. Number 52 is draw this in your style art challenges. Usually when an artist reaches a certain milestone on social media, they'll host a draw this in your style challenge. Those are always very fun. Number 53, draw animal characters if they were human. Number 54 is to draw your outfits of the week or just an outfit of the day if you think you're looking particularly fly on that day. While we're talking about that, I did try and turn something of a look for this video. You can see I did my makeup, straightened my hair, got this lovely shirt on, secondhand, got my jeans, American Eagle. Wow, wow, wow. My dad does not like my eyeshadow. Number 55 is to draw over photos you've taken of yourself. Number 56, design a character based on a song you really like. I have a character design in mind for Taylor Swift's Gold Rush. I don't know if I'll have time to do it, but it's in there. Number 57, design your own fantasy classes or even fantasy races. Like, just try and come up with your own ideas other than the ones that are like Lord of the Rings, D&D, like straight and narrow fantasy. Like, try and get a little creative with it. Number 58, draw the first kiss between two characters. Number 59, draw two characters in an all-out brawl. Number 60, draw your characters as magical girls. Number 61, do some expression studies. Show how different characters show emotions differently. Number 62, draw the character with a different style or hairstyle than they usually have. Like turn a goth character into like more of a preppy student, or someone with a buzz cut, give them really long hair. Number 63, draw your characters in a bar or a tavern. Number 64, summer camp AU, or my preferred version of that, summer camp counselors AU. Number 65, a mobster AU. I like the 1920s style of mobster. I think that one has the most flavor. Number 66, coffee shop AU. Can't go wrong with some cute baristas. Number 67, tattoo artist and florist AU. I don't think I need to say more. The character designs that come out of that are pretty amazing. Number 68, university students AU. Or if you're drawing fan art for like Check Please or something else that takes place in a university, I guess it's not an AU. But draw some university students. Number 69, pirate AU. I love pirate outfits. I think we need to draw more of them. I know I already said for one of the prompts, draw characters based on the elements, but this is specifically drawing the characters in the world of Avatar: The Last Airbender. So like, what nation would they all belong to? How would their outfits look? I originally wrote down number 71 as draw your characters as cats. I suppose if you want to draw them as other animals, that's okay, but I think that cats are kind of the best. Number 72, draw the characters watching a movie. Bonus points if it's a sad movie and they're all crying and trying to pretend they're not crying. Number 73, I want to paint like a scene for you. So it's a sleepover, it's a slumber party, the characters are painting each other's nails, having some good gossip, doing each other's hair, you know, some people have towels up in their hair, cucumber slices, it's a full spa evening, and I think the vibes are great. You can draw some characters having a night like that. Number 74, draw a comic of characters having an intense discussion. I'll put it up to your imagination what that discussion is about. Number 75, draw characters hugging. Is this a emotional scene? Is it just cute? Is there more than two characters? Again, up to you. Number 76, draw the characters at a karaoke bar for karaoke night. Yup. Number 77, draw a character and their mentor. Number 78, draw a character and their rival. Number 79, draw the character in a training montage. Number 80, you know, in shows, especially anime, when the character gets like this power level up, like a power up, and they just like go, Super Saiyan, you know? Draw that scene for whatever character you want to draw it for. Number 81, draw your character under mind control. Number 82, design characters that are in like a scrappy bike gang together. If your characters are like superheroes and have secret identities, you can draw this scene, comic, still, whatever have you, of their secret identities being exposed. Number 84, draw the characters if they were in an apocalypse, like a zombie apocalypse. Number 85, draw a character falling from some great height. It's kind of vague, but I'll leave it to you to fill in the blanks. 86, draw a character being carried. Again, is this a cute scene? Is this a dramatic scene? Up to you. Number 87, again in honor of Valentine's Day being very soon, draw your character trying and failing to hide a super obvious crush. Number 88, draw the characters playing party games like Spin the Bottle or Truth or Dare. Number 89, if your character has some kind of distinct or cool weapon, then like draw them and their weapon. Yeah. Number 90, draw characters that can't see that there's a super giant monster that's right behind them now! Number 91 is a good character design activity. You can try to draw characters with exaggerated features like small eyes or maybe like a big nose, exaggerate their proportions. Number 92, draw characters' dreams or nightmares. Number 93, characters waking up from said dreams or nightmares. Number 92, draw your characters going through a drive-thru. Number 95, redesign a book cover. Number 96, draw characters in their work uniform if they have a part-time job of some sort, especially if it's embarrassing. Number 97, redesign things like playing cards or tarot cards. That can be a really fun illustration project. Number 98, draw the characters in a big old cuddle pile. Number 99, draw your characters as vampires, werewolves, mermaids, mummies, any sort of supernatural creature. And number 100, draw your characters eating their favorite foods. We made through the first 100, woohoo, yay! We're gonna go through the non-character prompts a little quicker, just because they're a little simpler by nature. You ready? I'm gonna do it now. You ready? Okay, good. Here are my 100 non-character based art prompts. Cutlery, beetles, geckos, plant seeds, fancy dishes, glasses, celestial objects, boots, chickens, spatulas, light bulbs, magic wands, baguettes, crows, pens and markers, raincoats, sloths, stamps, app covers, dice, blueberries, candles, frogs, or toads, sidewalk chalk, bubbles, clover, cows, rocks, a view from a window, mushrooms, scissors, bloody noses, batteries, quilts, old books, ribbons, your desk, crystals, houseplants, carrots, wildflowers, Tamagotchis, cakes, rabbits, hard candy, spray bottles, ice cream, hairstyling tools, makeup palettes, eggs, paintbrushes, band-aids, snails, manta rays, charcuterie boards, origami, potions, turtles, fantastical weapons, crayons, rooftops, flip-flops, bells, popsicles, shovels, gloves, floppy hats, USB sticks, cell phones, underwear, otters, keyboards, mouses, headphones, birch trees, deer, pears, crowns and tiaras, tape, pie, champagne, honeycomb, face masks, sparkly rings, nail polish designs, slinkies, Converse sneakers, black cats, big dogs, t-shirt designs, greeting cards, broken pencils, Polaroid camera, a Mars rover, perfume bottles, sheep, microphones, clotheslines, apple trees, and belt buckles. Didn't catch any of those? That's alright. I've got the full list on my Instagram at Miss Katarina T. Again, if you use any of the prompts I've said in this video, make sure you tag me at Miss Katarina T so I can drop you a like and for a chance to be featured in my story. For the non-character based art prompts, a good exercise that my teachers have taught us to do is to take an object, for example glasses, and draw variations on it. If this pair of glasses belonged to a 6-year-old who liked to play outside and get messy and fell off the monkey bars a lot, those glasses are going to look very different from a elderly lady who is a lawyer and has a very sophisticated sense of style. So trying to make different variations on inanimate objects based on the character that you're envisioning it belongs to is a fantastic drawing exercise and you should try it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it this far, please leave me a like and a comment so I know how you thought of it. I make new videos every other Monday, so I will see you in 2 weeks. Mwah.